What's going on, everyone? How's everyone doing today? My name is Spencer J, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, this is week 26 of my Robinhood Dividend Portfolio account, and this week was a little rough. We're down, of course, down $118, almost 1% on the day yesterday, and we're up $30 after hours. The week right now, we're up $81, just over 0.5%. For the month, we're down $166, 1.3%. For the 3 months, we're up $110, about almost 1%. And for the year, we're up $278, a little over 2%. With everything being red today, yesterday is for me was a buy day then, so didn't have too much, but I had a little bit of money, so I threw about $500 into the account. As you can tell, everything is red looking over here, but with it being a red day, I decided to pick up a few shares of some things. As we go down my list, one of the first stocks I picked up was AT&T, just kind of continue to build my portfolio of it. So it gives me about 12 shares. I picked up just one share. Let's go all the way down here. So you see I've been slowly buying it while it's down at 28.92, and picked up another share yesterday at 28.98, just trying to lower my dollar cost average. This AT&T, to me, I know it's not always going to be going up, but the yield, it's not really a growth stock, but the yield on um, the dividend, sorry, a little messed up there, on the dividend is $2.08. So you're looking at almost about 7%, which is great. I mean, 7% yield is phenomenal for me. So I know it will go up at some point, but while it's going there, I'm going to keep bringing my average down. I think it was at 29.33, now I'm at 29.26. But that monthly dividend or that quarterly dividend will be nice. So another one I went after. Let me get it going over here. So of course, another one that I picked up was Microsoft. I already have been doing, $50 here, $50 there, kind of bringing it up. But now with it down a lot, and I think it will be correcting itself, because I think it was a little high with the market, but I know it will be coming back. And plus, they just raised their dividend to 56 cents every quarter per share, which is nice. So I decided to add in and bring my shares down. I was at about $206 a share, so I have 3 shares now. So I added about another $110. And I want to keep buying, as I think it will keep going down. As you can tell, I'm getting a dividend coming up. I already got my dividend of 51 cents. They haven't raised it by when I got this, but so I added another $110, got a little over half a share. Next one that I picked up that I really like, that I kind of keep building my shares on, is going to be Apple. I was holding about $117 a share. So now I'm down to 116. So I picked up another one. I got 13 shares of Apple. I know Apple will correct itself. There's a chance that Apple might drop down to the $80 or $90 share range, but that's fine with me. I know it's going to come back up. I'm holding everything for a long term. So got another market buy. As you can see, it's a fourth market buy of $115 and another one of $118. I thought it would drop and go back up. I want dollar cost average, and it just kept dropping. But it's just fine. I don't always buy in bulk at one time. I kind of just keep buying, and especially with dips. So with a dip today, I bought it at $106.79, which gives me 13 shares now, and I'm really happy about that. And it keeps bringing my average down, and if it keeps going down, I'm going to keep dropping that average. So the last I picked up, another one I picked up was Pembina Pipelines, which is another dividend stock that I actually really like. It do a lot of pipeline stuff right here. Now they're really kind of dropping in price. They were up a little higher at one point. You can see they were up in the $26 range, and then ever since have been kind of on a downward spiral, but which is fine with me, because I'm going to keep adding shares, keep growing this portfolio. So I'm at 7 now. I'd like to get more. I got 23.05. The dividend on this one, let me get my sheet. Dividend comes in monthly. It's about almost an 8% dividend at about 13 cents a share, which is nice. So I'm going to keep building. I want to keep growing as many shares as I can into this, so that my dividend gets reinvested and continues to grow this, because I think this will grow. And then the last one that I looked at that I wanted to keep building on. Let's go way down. Ooh, Chevron's another one I want to really get more of. But I own a lot of just ones and twos because I kind of try to get it. But Pepsi was my next one. Pepsi was a lot higher. As you can see, let's go to the 3-month. Pepsi was growing, and I think Pepsi will continue to grow. Pepsi owns a lot more than just soda, but it's down right now, so I jumped on it today. I got another share, which brought my cost. It was about 136, was 135 was where I was at for my average cost, and down to 134 now. If it keeps going down, I'm going to keep adding to this portfolio, keep adding to it, so you can see 136, 135, and then at 131.45 today. Pepsi also is a good one. It's a little over 3% for their dividend, and they give out about $1.02 per quarter, which comes out to be about $4.09, which is a nice little thing to keep growing because I know this stock's going to keep going up. So like I said, I only put a few dollars into the account today, but I didn't really buy much more. I know I'm going to add just see. I'm going to see how much is going to be red next week too, and if it continues to be red, I'm going to continue to buy and continue to average cost lower down because once again, I'm in this for the long haul. I think I really have a Walgreens could be something that's good right now. They're down a lot from their 52-week high, and I know I think they hit their rock bottom. Are going to come back, and they have a nice little dividend on this one for a little over $1 a year. So at this price point, I think it's great to kind of get into. So I have a couple shares. I might grab a few more. But that is week 26 in review. If you like when you want to keep watching this portfolio grow, please leave comments, like, and subscribe. Have a good day.